Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the signature verification project using deep learning. So let's run the python space main.py file. So it will open the home page. User have to browse any signature image from the dataset. Let's select any image. Okay, just click on the open button and click on the process signature. So it will show the forge. Just close it. Given signature is forge. Let's give another image. This is the original. Given signature is original. So let's give another image and it will show the forge. Given signature is forge. Okay, like that user have to give the any input image and it will classify the type of like original or forge image. So it is original. This is the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Let's click on exit button. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.